Baba ang patay dito. Baba ang patay dito.
Ewan. I know. They always serve the best arroz caldos here at the lounge.
Slides cross-check for that, please. Window shades. This items in its compartments for the benefit of our next step.
We're here at last. Because I need to earn na may saison, we're heading straight to our villa. That's why I hate vlogging. Wag mo mabasa!
Sabi ko nga sa'yo eh.
Okay. We're here at our villa. Here?
Ako.
Talan!
Mamaya na ka na mag-video.
Wow, the view is everything. What? Yan. Ganda. Tapos nakajubad ako. Char. So that's our room upstairs and this is what's downstairs. Look. Taray. Ang laki ng space. Anong gagawin namin dito? Bowling? We have our own pool. I opted to have this room because I don't know if I have the courage to wear a swimsuit in public. Wala lang. Jubis ko eh. Pa. So there's our kitchen, then there's another toilet there. Bongga. Madam outfit. Lakas ng loob. He is so social. He's wearing brief. Nakakapagod mag-vlog.
Hello? Yes?
Ayoko na ata mag-vlog. Room service! That's sabaw. Kung kami maging John Lloyd and Ellen Adarna. Ang John Lloyd ko sana. Yung John Lloyd ko na meron tsanene. Ayun. Can we have a house like this?
Yeah.
Ocean view.
Yes.
Up in the mountain.
Yeah.
Hi.
About to have dinner. Late dinner. Not nyanyi anymore. Don't copy ako mo. Chew with your mouth closed. Char. There's a dragonfly. Okay.